How to watch NFL Sunday Ticket recordings on iPhone. In today's video, we will know how can you watch Sunday NFL ticket recordings on iPhone. If you are an iPhone user, you can watch NFL Sunday Ticket recordings or replays on YouTube. You can record their games, download with or offline. So what you have to do is you have to be a Primetime channel subscriber. So, what are the steps? You have to go to tv.youtube.com or welcome on a web browser and then tap try it free. Sign in with the same Google account you used to buy NFL Sunday ticket. Once you are signed in, select not now on the welcome to YouTube TV page and enter your zip code when prompted. Now add specific teams or the NFL to your YouTube TV library. Adding the NFL to your library will record current and future airings of NFL games available to you through the NFL Sunday Ticket Primetime channel. Once done, your recordings are stored on your account so you can watch them for any spotted device on the YouTube TV website or application. You can also watch them offline. Just open the YouTube TV application and sign in with the Google account that you used to purchase NFL. Go to your library, find the games that you want to download and tap download. After that, completed downloads will show up in your library under the download tab and you can watch them offline. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.